Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show you step by step how to create a pixeset account. So if you want to create an account, go to Google, search for pixeset. This is the keyword. Click on get started. So when you click on get started, you will see this option. To create your free account, so just set up your email address in this section. If you want to use Google or Gmail account, click Google. I want to use Google. So just write your email address in the section, and then from here, wait just a moment, and then you will open our account successfully. So in this case, I just use my account Google to create or to set up your account. Just click get started here, and then you can set up your launch your product from this section, and then you can use this platform. So I can, as you can see here, I set up my account successfully. This is my username and this is your all information. In this section, just write your password and then confirm your email accounts, and then you can connect your social Google, and then you can start set up your accounts. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this.